Today is Friday, December 20th, 2019. Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Acme Tools. This is the SkilSaw circular saw that I did a promo video on. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Unboxing will be on the next video as well. Everybody, so this is going to be the tool haul video, which is going to be a quick look at the SkilSaw that I did a promo video on a few days ago. I got it from Acme Tools. You get the saw, a battery, and a charger, and then you get the, for $3.99, you get a free secondary battery. It's a big box. According to the tracking information, it was 30.6 pounds, something like that. So let's get something to cut it with. We're going to take it out of this box. Box is pretty smashed on one side. I got it through FedEx, is who Acme Tools sent it through. Got all this plastic wrap, little bubble bags. There's one item. You get a wine voucher as well as another magazine. I have about 5-6 of these wine vouchers. The only bad thing about the wine vouchers is that, you know, they have 30 days to use them. Alright, so this is everything that was got. They are big batteries. So here's the main kit. It is SkilSaw Stay True SPTH77M-12 7 1/4 inch TRUEHVL cordless worm drive saw kit. Designed for wood. That's what it shows on here, so I'm assuming you wouldn't want to use this for cutting metal. Includes the saw, a battery, a charger, a Diablo blade, and another a dust chute attachment. This corner is a little banged up. And then here is the free battery you get. SPTH15. Has a fuel gauge, TRUEHVL lithium ion battery. It's a 48 volt, 5 amp hour, 240 watt hour battery. There's a dent in the box right here. So it is brushless. $180-day money back guarantee. 1 year limited warranty. Cut for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, we'll give you your money back. We'll call it our Stay True guarantee. That's just some of the information on it. Some on the back. Worm drive gears. The only cordless saw with worm drive gearing. Legendary power to go anywhere. Powered by TRUEHVL, the battery platform designed to power worm drive. All magnesium construction with brushless motor and electric brake. No load RPM is 5800. bevel capacity is 53 degrees. Bare tool weight is 11.09 pounds or 5.03 kilograms. Arbor size is 13/16 diamond. Max cut depth at 90. It's 2 3/8 or 60.33 millimeters. Voltage is 48 volt. 5 amp hour, 240 watt hour. Stay cool battery technology. It's just the information on the back. So we're gonna do the unboxing in a different video. So this is just gonna be the quick look at what I got in the mail. Please stick around for the upcoming unboxing video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.